Hello and welcome to Kids, Clays and Cartridges. Tomorrow we're going to the Owl's Hoot shooting ground to do some clay pigeon shooting. We're also bringing our air rifle because they have an air rifle range as well. Why can't you go, Will?
Because I'm going to a friend's party.
Is it a go?
Yes.
Okay. So the next time we'll see you is tomorrow at the shooting grounds. Bye!
Bye. Make sure to like, subscribe,
so we can get more people watching.
Bye.
Okay, right, what I want you to do is bring your hands, bend your elbow. There, right. Relax, buddy. Alright, more relaxed. Here we go. Up with it. Now. There you go.
Good
See?
shooting, mate.
See? That's all you got to do. And you do that every time. Alright?
Try and remember what that looked
That's
like.
it. That's all it is, mate. That's all it is, buddy. Give me that. Let's tie it up. That's all it is, mate. Your line is very, very good. Your line is absolutely spot on. Same again. Okay. Now.
Get in.
Now with a 410, Jace, he will struggle.
Yeah.
It's like trying to shoot clays with an air rifle.
Yeah.
You know,
Less shot, I guess.
Yeah, you got. Yeah, but it's tight.
Yeah.
You've got to know what you're doing.
Yeah.
You know. That's the difference. He can handle a 28. Okay. Here we go, mate. Okay, just over the. That's fine. Don't say oh. That's Dad's trick. All right. You're doing good, mate. You're doing good. You've only shot once before with a shotgun? Right, okay, this is good. Bring your arm, that's it, nice and relaxed. Lean forward a little bit. Up a bit, up a bit, there. Just over the top, right? You're only going just over the top. Next time I see you, I want you to see your hair like this. Alright? Or an Alice bat. Your hair's getting in your eyes, isn't it? You keep doing that, the old Beckham flick. Right, you've just gone over the top of that clay then. That's all it was, mate. Your line is superb. You've got a good eye for this. Here we go, mate. Up with him. There. That's all in this.
Yeah.
Me.
Yeah. Get in.
Easy, innit? Go again, buddy. Yeah. You have us 2 minutes, Tom. You can have this.
Yeah, no rush, buddy.
That's one.
Right.
You know what you're doing now. No brainer. No brainer. Right, take your time on his chest. Make sure he's on the beat, mate. Alright. Hit the hard ones. Now we're going to hit these. These are easier. Alright. Put that play right up there. Shoot at his backside. Up with him. There. Yeah, he's just down the right. He's just down the right. It's all he is.
Yeah.
The play's going over the left. Do you watch YouTube a lot? There's a thing called Shot Cam, K-A-M.
Yeah, I've seen it.
Watch that. That'll help you. Just over the top, Charlie. It's all you are. Over the top. Or when you put the play right there. Now, it's alright. Don't. That's Dad's trait. You're not allowed to do that. You're doing good. They're not easy, mate. Now, top again. Right, Charlie, I know where you are now. So instead of just being there, right, I want you to put a bit more gap in. So we're going to be there. So we'll come up underneath the clay. When we get to that position, we'll shoot. Because the time we've got, it's done that. Alright, mate?
Something else comes up.
Dad.
Hang on.
I've got me a radio on cassette and the CD player on it. Just want to play it out. TV's gone.
Alright, okay, so Charlie, we've just finished our go here at Owl's Hoot shooting ground. You're going to give us some marks out of 5 now. So,
Okay.
what about marks for the ground over all the facilities? 5? Yep.
Yeah.
What about marks for the people in the coaching? 4? Yeah, I thought 5. I thought Lee was really cool. He really knew what he was talking about, and he gave you more coaching than we got at the last place, didn't he? Yeah. Okay. What about snacks? 4. Okay. And what about for the actual clay shooting targets? 5. Okay.
That's 19 out of 20.
Yeah, that's a good score. So what do you think overall? Could this be our local
Yes.
ground?
Yeah, it's a really nice place.
Yeah.
I think we should come here more.
I think we'll definitely be coming here much more
So
often.
you can see those chickens. There's chickens.
Yeah, it's very important that every shooting ground should have some chickens.
Every shooting ground, you have to have chickens.
Okay, so Charlie, we've just got back from the latest shoot. Why don't you tell everyone a bit about what went on today, how you found it?
Well, I found it a really nice place. The guns were good. They were quite easy to use to hit the clays. It had a really nice reception area. It was a really nice club. I enjoyed it.
Okay, so what was different about today from last time?
Well, today it was a lot windier and a lot raining. But today I also used the next gauge up from 410. I used a 28 gauge.
How did you
And-
find it?
I found it just light enough to shoot the clays, but it gave more of a kick, and I think it was a bigger cartridge, so it helped hit the clays more.
But you didn't think it was too much for you?
No, it wasn't too much. If anything, I think I can move on to the next gauge.
Okay, so if any 10-year-old boys who are watching, you think
If you're in the northwest of England, you should really go to the Hoot Target Club. It's a really good place. They do archery as well, don't they?
They do,
Yeah,
and
they do archery, and they have an air rifle range, which we did as well. So that was really fun.
excellent. Okay, so I think it was a really good place. I'm glad that it's really close to us, so I think that'll be the place where we go for
Yeah.
more lessons and probably be our regular shoot. So I think Lee, the guy who runs it, was a cracking bloke,
Yeah.
and I
He
think
was a really nice person. He was a good coach, and mainly in general, the coaching and the actual club is just really, really nice.
excellent.
And bye.